Wake up, time to paint your car. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Today we have something huge in store for you. Sam, we're going to be painting his car, and then we're going to have the liveries put on and stuff, but we probably won't do that today. Big things coming, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, and yeah, stay tuned. Let's go head over to Tommy's. Alright, so I just made it to Tommy's. The usual, same shit, different day, right, Tom? Right. Left the lights on. Alright, 7 hours later. Engine start, let's go! Woo! It's on! So somebody left the key on, Sam. Now the 240 won't start, so we're using the truck to jump the 240 now and get that moved into the other garage so we can start painting it. What do we got going on here, Tom? Abortion. A shit show. 1,000 ways to die. Sam, tell us what it is.
I don't think it was on there. It was definitely somewhere I seen it that someone had their finger like between battery terminals or something, like a starter. It was like grounded and on the positive, and it like melted on their finger. So no rings for me.
No rings for mechanics. Remember that. Mission accomplished. Alright, so we picked up the tape, more drop cloth. We are good to go. Mask off.
Dude.
Garage score. Shiitake shoes. Alright, let's go for it. Cheers.
Do you gotta...
Hey, that's actually good.
You gotta say it right.
That's good. That's actually good. Bro, that's good. Yeah, we're gonna have to keep these over here. Okay, so we got Sam's car completely sanded. We're on to the final piece, the front bumper. It's pretty easy, small piece. And then we can go ahead and start primering it, and hopefully we can lay the first coat of paint on it tonight. That's a big hopefully, considering it's what time, like 2 o'clock, Sam?
About that, yeah. And Tommy's still not here.
Yeah, Tommy's still not here.
It's almost 1.
Almost, oh, an hour ahead of schedule than I thought we were. Yeah. We're an hour further than I thought.
The car itself is ready to paint, well, for primer.
Okay.
We just have to tack cloth it, well, wipe it down, then tack cloth it, and then this bumper I'm not too worried about today. If I can get the whole car in primer, maybe in paint, a coat of paint, then it'll be a good day.
So we just used some Rust-Oleum wax and tar remover. Last thing we got to do is tack rag it. I can't say that. Tack rag. Tack cloth. Tack cloth. We got to tack cloth it.
Okay. We're gonna mix some primer and finally shoot the car.
Now it's very important to get this type of start. Tell them what kind of start that is.
It's just wood.
Popsicle stick.
I mean, I just went to like Autos and you know, that's what they had. So for you guys that don't know,
Just get popsicles.
Yeah.
When did you buy this?
March?
March?
Well, yeah. Maybe, like, I don't know. Yeah, March.
So, and then 2 funds, brand new paint job, and a full fucking SR20 build.
The SR20 I got, I traded, believe it or not, a set of rear adjustable arms for it. I got it in a bunch of totes. Thank you, Tony.
Shout out to Tony.
It runs great. So, like, I did an SR swap for under $500, maybe $300. Woofers.
So we're gonna do a driveway paint job.
Your concoction here.
Throw it in there.
Is this a good gun?
Yep.
Freaking juice.
The sauce. Give her the biscuits, dude.
We're gonna edge this in and then we're gonna give it a go. Hot as fuck out. So we got first coat on. I already did the second coat on this side. I'm gonna do the second coat on now this side. And then I think we're gonna shoot a third coat. And we're gonna let it set, cure,
Oh yeah.
sand it.
Oh yeah. What you thinking, Sam?
How bad them dogs want the ducks.
So while Tom paints that and the wolves howl in the moonlight, ow! During the day, here is a quick update. Alright, so we got it primed. It's lunchtime. What you cooking? Hot dogs.
Grab your meat.
I'm gonna shove this up your fucking ass.
We're wet sanding now, and this is the shitty part.
So we've been wet sanding the car for about, what, half hour, 45 minutes? Half hour, 45 minutes, 3 of us. Looks really good, feels good.
Well, hopefully we have some more daylight.
Hell
It's
yeah.
supposed to rain by now, but seems like it's pretty good. So probably clean it off. We're gonna have to do another coat on some spots where we went through, and wash it again, and maybe lay a layer of paint today. Who knows?
Hell yeah.
This went really fast. For 3 people it does. It's great. I've always done this shit just by myself. And it takes like hours and hours.
Power numbers. Alright, so we just finished wet sanding, 600 grit. Sam's rinsing it off now. It looks good. It looks good. Even just primer gray, it looks good. It's coming out fucking nice, Sam. I'm so happy.
It looks so good.
Dude, I'm so happy. It's gonna be a whole new car. Let's get that thumbnail.